Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Thursday, second day of the month of July, 2026. Extreme heat warnings continue across the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast up until the 4th of July, probably at 8 p.m. And I also have an air quality alert. That's always typical when you have high heat like we have and very little mixing of air in the lower atmosphere. And of course, we'll have a lot of pollutants that will settle into the surface to about 1,000 to 2,000 feet above the ground. And of course, that makes the air quality very bad. What we're looking at is during the overnight, last evening and around midnight, temperatures were still between 80 and 90 degrees all across the area, except over in northwestern New Jersey. We have a lot of trees and a lot of hills and valleys, and it causes, with this foliage in the trees and the grass, that temperatures generally go down an extra 5 to 7 degrees. We saw temperatures down into the 70s in sections of eastern Pennsylvania, southeast New York, the Catskills, and also northwestern portions of New Jersey. But you're also looking at heavy thunderstorms that moved across the Hudson Valley. They're all moving off to the east and dissipate. They'll reform again during the afternoon hours today, tomorrow, and more particular on the 4th of July. Unfortunately, we have a frontal system that'll be approaching the area that will have some locally heavy thunderstorms, possibly some severe, and that will be breaking the heat, a heat that began yesterday and will continue throughout today, tomorrow, and also on Saturday. Temperatures today are expected to go up to about 104 in many places, somewhere between 99 and around 106 degrees. That's going to have a heat index value up to 110. And of course, because of that, extreme heat warnings remain in effect. At night, it will be clear. Temperatures at night towards daybreak on Saturday, probably going down to about, at daybreak on Friday, probably going down to around the 80-degree mark. Then sunny and hot on Friday, highs again between 100 and 105. The heat index values all the way up to about 110, combining the humidity and the sunshine and all things considered in a type of situation like that. We do have some scattered thunderstorms likely for Friday night. Nighttime low temperatures down to about 77 to 82. That's because the thunderstorms will probably cool things down just a bit if we get them. Even if they're close by, that will rustle up the wind. That will also cause some mixing in the lower atmosphere. 4th of July, Independence Day, Saturday. Looking at sunny and hot weather, highs near 100. Late day and evening thunderstorms are likely, and some of those thunderstorms could be locally severe into the evening hours, and it's going to cause some problems for fireworks festivities and also for being out of doors during the later afternoon and evening hours, something that we'll have to watch as we get closer to it. But here on the weathermanpod.com, we will give you updates as far as the weather for the 4th of July as we get closer to it. And on Sunday, still a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, otherwise clouds and some mid-90s. By Monday, it'll range only to about 85 to 90, in the mid-80s on Tuesday, 85 to 90, and Wednesday of next week. So hot weather for the first half of this month of July. Traveling by air today, just, of course, keep in mind that because of excessive heat, that is going to cause some delays at the area airports around the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, but pretty much all across the country because the heat continues. We just do see a little bit of cooler weather across the Dakotas and northern Minnesota and southern Canada, but elsewhere, just a lot of heat across the nation. And no major weather situations, although there was those pop-up thunderstorms that did occur in the latter portion of the day and evening hours on Wednesday. A similar situation could happen today and also Friday and Saturday, as mentioned. But today, no problems weather-wise getting in and out outside of the heat problem that we do have. Dry weather in Charlotte, maybe a few scattered showers in Atlanta, dry but hot in Chicago. And Minneapolis, St. Paul, also dry weather. Some showers and thunderstorms in Houston and Dallas. Central and South Florida, most of the time dry, late-day thunderstorms scattered widely, and that could cause a few problems as far as delays in and around South Florida. L.A., San Francisco, and Portland all looking pretty good, but Seattle looks like some rain will be moving in there over the next 24 hours. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Keep cool. Stay out of the sun during the afternoon hours. Very dangerous heat, and we will get through this. We'll take a look at it again tomorrow. Have a great day. See you then.